Welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Galaxy F14, and now I'm gonna show you how to set color ID announcement on this device. To do it, just open the phone application, then click on the right top corner of your screen and click Settings. Scroll down and find here answering and ending calls. As you can see, I have enabled this feature, but if you want to enable it and set it up, so just click on enable button and then click on the text. And here you can choose one of the two different modes: always announce or only over Bluetooth and headphones. So I will use over Bluetooth and headphones only. Why? Because I don't want to announce for everyone who calls me. I just want to hear who calls me when I wearing the headphones and I'm riding a bike and my smartphone is in my backpack and I can't and I have not access to my smartphone right now, but I want to hear who calls me to know I won't answer for this call or not. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.